It's winter time. I have definitely been dealing with chapped lips, and I am so thrilled that Marie just gifted me their day and night lip mask, because this is not just an overnight lip mask. You can also use this as your daytime lip balm. And it is so incredible. You can use it as your lip butter. So if you want to just add a thicker layer throughout the day to really get almost that overnight experience with this, you can. And I started this morning with very dry chapped lips, and I already put this on and it just feels so good. It comes with this little applicator. It's almost like a little silicone tip. It probably is silicone, and it's a nice way to apply it. Obviously you can use your fingers as well. And when I put this on, it makes my lips wonderfully shiny. It has the slightest berry, more on the strawberry side kind of scent to it. And it is so soothing. It feels so much more hydrating, not like your standard lip balms that really are just kind of covering but not hydrating. This is closer to a moisturizer meets Aquaphor, just something that's really going to give your lips exactly what they need, the moisture and the protection. And this is not just a super moisturizing, protective lip balm. This has low molecule collagen in it, which is incredible for going after fine lines and wrinkles and overall plumping. So it's doing a lot more as well, along with hyaluronic acid and so much more. And I love Marie because these products are so clean. These have no phthalates, no gluten, no GMOs, no parabens, no silicones, and no mineral oil, along with being third-party tested and not tested on animals. So I feel so good about using this. I really am noticing a difference, and I'm going to be using this moving forward. The Marie Day and Night Deep Hydration Lip Mask is amazing.